And here we have the 1956 Ford we restored about 7 years ago. Still looking wonderful. Beautiful green with a cream white. Body is still flawless. And we had removed most of the floor panels and some quarters. Lots of rust that needed removed. It's coming back to the shop now just for a little detail and some minor adjustments. There's a little bit of repairs that needed. But after 7 years, you have to expect things to shift and look at the home car here. And this has a Thunderbird V8 inside. Just a beautiful car. I believe inside we have some photographs of what this man used to look like. Gaps are looking well. Opens right up real smooth. Upholstery is still looking real sharp.